Welcome to all. This is a second video in Linux operating system. In previous video we have already discussed what is the advantage of Linux, what is the benefit, what is how we can use a Linux operating system. In this video we have starting with our basic commands which are using to interpret with your system. Either if you are using a Windows system, so there is a command prompt option, same as in Linux. There is a terminal, we can say this black screen is known as a terminal, which is uses as a command, which we can say that is a shell. This is a shell, we can say that which complete your request. That means you type the command and this command go to the kernel. So what is the shell? Shell is actually the services which takes your service and go to the kernel. The kernel which you fulfill all the requirements. Suppose you just type the date and this will reply the date command. So what happening in the backside? The date command will be called the system call, and this system call will be managed by the shell, and then the shell goes to this kernel will solve, and then it will be the display. So this is the main thing of shell and kernel. So we have clear, you can clear the terminal. So first is state, then there is a cal option, calendar. It will be reply the current calendar. You can also reply a particular date with year, cal 02. Suppose you want to see the 1998 Feb calendar, so you just first provide the month and then year. So this is Feb 98 calendar. Suppose you provide 2000 calendar, all the month, so just enter cal and then year name. That is the attributes of commands, we can say it is clear. So date we can see, that clear we can see. Next is whoami. Whoami is actually given you current user name. The second command is users. While in this system there is n number of users are there, but users will be returned the current user login. That means if you have login more than one account, suppose I just go to the account login, then again comes to the OS boxes. So this will be given a users a two users name. So this is a users option, whoami. Then you can say next command is you can also type the history. History will be written all the commands which you are using in this terminal. So this is a history option, state, cal and history. Now then there is a terminal type, tty. This is won't be the dev, pts and then 7. That means there's a terminal will be saved on this directory, dev, pts and then /7. The basic difference between Windows and Linux, that is this is a slash direction is this side, whereas Windows direction is totally this side. Windows using this side. The second one is pwd, that is a print working directory. In this time we have in home OS boxes, so we can use pwd, that is a home /OS boxes. Then there is another, if you want to listing the directory, you just type the ls. Ls stands for the listing. So there is a number of this icon will be show that is these are the directories and these are the files. Actually the light color will be the directories. Directory you can see easily, that is your folder option. Suppose you want to enter the desktop, so cd space desktop, it is a case sensitive, so you must, desktop is D capital, so you just type a D is a capital, then you have enter in the desktop. You again type the pwd, so you can see again the path is a home OS boxes /desktop. Suppose you want to exit, cd / and enter 2 times, you can out from the desktop or any path. So this is normal commands. Now I hope this is a very short commands. 4 commands we have learned. In next video we have learned more the commands. Thanks for watching. Thank you.